Joking. Good morning everyone. So on the way kami sa what is the name? Mousetrap. So yung available this morning is 11:30 to 12:45.
30?
Is it? Or
Because you only
12:45?
get an hour.
So yeah, so malapit lang yun kila mother-in-law. Magbasa na kami kaso 14 minutes pa. So sabi ko kay Kira, maglakad na lang tayo kay
We get an hour there actually.
malapit lang naman. And then we're going to Grandma after.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Can we actually run now?
You can run if you want.
No.
Maganda yung panahon kaya nakaganito
I
ako.
want you to run because then you'll just trail behind.
Okay, man. Go!
Just jog. Because you said you wanted to jog somewhere, so we're jogging. Where are we even going?
Really nice house.
Where are we even going right now?
I like that.
Do you even know where we are?
No.
Oh my god!
Oh, wala tayo. I know where we are.
Okay, where are we
This is
then?
the back of the main road.
Okay,
So we're
that's
not too
obvious.
far. So if we go right,
You haven't even
We're
driven
back.
over here.
then we're back.
You
to the
haven't
main
even
road.
driven over here, Mum.
No, I'm not. Yeah, I know, but I know where we are.
Oh my god.
You open it?
Wait for me.
Okay. First time ko pumunta dito sa side na to.
Mummy!
Maraming magagandang bahay.
Your daughter!
Malalaki yung mga bahay dito. Dito sa side na to. You okay?
I'm filming when we get
So sa Mousetrap,
one.
parang inflatable siya. £5.50. Yes please. Oh, maybe later, but thank you. £5.50 siya for an hour.
Mummy, do you want one?
No, maybe when we get there, but thank you.
Okay.
Dito na kami. Dito nag-gymnast si Kira dati.
Mummy, I need your phone to film that we're here.
Tapos dyan lang yung bahay nila mother-in-law. O, dyan lang. Dyan banda.
That we are here.
God, I really need a wee. I'm desperate, Bob.
Okay, we'll go to the toilet then.
Yeah, I will. That's the first thing I need to do. Thank you very much. Kami lang yung tao dito. Maaga pa kasi. 11:30 pa lang. Kala ko, nawala yung susi. Uhaw, uhaw. Bumili si Kira ng tubig dun sa machine. £1.20. You're the only one in here, Bob. Let me see, I will send a picture to Grandma.
Wait, that.
Okay. Can I have some?
Yeah.
Please.
Mummy, tell me when I need to do the title.
Okay.
Yellow. Vlogs
Okay.
on for my channel.
So,
Hi guys, so this is my break.
kakauwi ko lang. Kasama ko si father-in-law kanina kay pumunta kami sa next town. So, nag-drive kami doon. Natatawa ako kanina kay para siyang instructor ko ba. Turn left, turn right. But anyway. So, yeah. Everything was good. So, next week is ano ko na yung aking insurance para makapag-drive na talaga ako. So, dito kami sa gilid ng bahay nila mother-in-law kay manguha kami ng mga blackberries. Yeah?
They might not be right.
Yeah, we can check.
Mum, they're right.
No?
They're right.
Meron kami ditong lalagyan ng mga
Mum, they're right.
blackberries. Oh, look at that. Para lang siyang bayabas sa Pilipinas ba, no?
Mummy, I want to do over there.
Okay.
Mum, no, I'm going over here.
Okay.
Can you go over there?
Oh
no,
my
can
God.
you go over there? I
It's
wanna
very
do it
ripe,
here.
Bob.
Very ripe.
Mm. Oh my God.
Mum, let's go inside.
You need to be careful lang
Mom,
talaga
let's
pag
go inside.
buha ka kay
Mum,
mga
let's go
tusok-tusok
inside.
ba?
Mum, let's go inside. And on our way back, we can do it front.
Pumunta din kami dito dati nila. Dave, ni sister-in-law ko. Kasi nung mga bata sila dito daw sila.
There used to be some around here, so let's see what it is.
Okay, you need to be careful kay look, oh. Ang sabi, Jaggy. Keep going. Just keep going.
Ah, it's not spicy. Mum, be careful.
Yeah, so di ba kanina nakadress ako? So umuwi kami kanina, kaya nagpalit ako ng damit, kaya
Mum,
nakadress
there
man ako
might be
ba?
stinging nettles.
Yeah, hindi ako comfortable
Mom, there
kanina
might be
mag-drive
stinging.
ng nakadress.
No, we can't go through there.
Oh no.
God, we have to go back.
Just here, look.
No, let's go back.
I will try here, Bob.
I'm going back.
Okay, I will try. Kunti lang siya. Iba doon sa
Stay at the front with
highway doon sa New Haven, marami talaga.
Oh,
Mm.
Mummy,
Yeah,
listen, this is a tip.
it's not a lot in here.
So when you go blackberry picking, oh my god, these are tiny. So when you go blackberry picking, if you're really careful with thorns, it will spike you. But if you just dive in, it won't.
Yeah,
So just dive in.
Kunti lang dito. Kunti lang. Last year, dito kami nila. Sister-in-law ko nga, di ba? Dami. Ngayon, kunti lang siya. Tapos ano? Tingnan nyo. Hinog.
Wait, look what I'm doing.
Ah, here. On this side here, darling. Here,
Mum,
oh.
remember, just dive in. It will hurt you if you don't. Actually, if you don't.
Oh, dito. Oh, look at that, Bob.
I'm gonna get these.
It's really ripe. Gamitin to ni Dib sa kanyang oats. As long as hugasan mo lang siya.
Those ones aren't really ripe.
Siyempre, hugasan. Alam nga naman, kainin mo pati yung mga dahon-dahon. Ang saya. Parang nanguha lang ng bayabas. Tayo ng dinner. Madali ang dinner lang to. Dahil weekend, mag-scampi and chips. My favorite. Si Kira is fish and chips. Madalian. I mean, gusto ko din naman talaga yung scampi. Isa sa paborito kong English na pagkain. I mean, English food pa talaga yung scampi and chips. Tapos, mushy peas. Ito yung nakuha namin kanina, oh. Kunti lang. Gagamitin yan mamaya ni Dave sa kanyang oats bukas. Naubos ni Kira. Alam mo, si 6:30 na. Ang bilis. So, bukas Sunday, may work ako from 12. 12 to 3 lang ako bukas. Tapos sa Monday, work ako sa Monday 10 to 2. Alam nyo, inaantok na talaga ako kay kanina. Nagising ako mga 1:30. Nakatulog ako mga alas 12:30 na. Si Dib kasi maingay kanina pa si Kira na nagising. Kaya yung acid reflux niya, di ba dito? So, ubo siya ng ubo. Nag-last ata yung ingay mga half an hour. As in, nag-ingay talaga. Kaya hindi kami makatulog ni Kira. So, nagising ako mga 7. Mga paalis si Dib sa work. Talagang inaantok pa ako kanina. Kaya siguro maaga ako matulog tonight. Yes, Bob! Fish and chips. sa shower na. Kasi di malapit na daw siya, mga 10 minutes na lang. So ito yung mga tinupi ko ng isang araw. Hindi ko pa na lagay sa drawer. So ayusin na natin yan. Ito yung kay Dave lahat. Ito talaga, no? Dapat pag nagtupi tayo, diretso agad sa mga lagayan. Huwag nang pabukas-bukas pa. Kaya ito talaga yung nangyayari. Bukas na lang, mamaya na lang. Kaya ganito. Si Kira maaga din daw siya matulog. Ewan ko lang kung maaga yan matulog. Pero, as long as nasa bed na, para makapag-wash din ako, mag-edit ng video, mag-edit. Nakapag-edit naman ako kanina. I-arrange kong gamit ni Kira kasi tinitingnan niya. Kung naka-organize siya, kung yung puti, nilagay sa puti. Kasi kagabi ata yun na nilagay ko lang yung brown doon sa blue. Nakita niya. Sabi niya, oops! That's not the right one. Sabi ko, Kira, bukas na lang yan. Sabi niya, no! Put it back! Busi si Kira, no? Okay. Ilagay ko muna to sa kwarto. Ito ay akin. Yeah. Yun lang naman. Tapos ito yung kay Kira. Grabe talaga yung mga gawain bahay. Wala talagang katapusan. As in, diba? Kaninang umaga pa. Malis kami ni Kira. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako tapos. Mga gawain bahay na walang katapusan. Ay, naku, naalala ko. Natawa talaga ako kanina kay father-in-law. Na-vlog sana yun ni Kira. Sabi niya, Jenny, turn left. Slow down a bit. Para talaga siyang instructor, no?
Hi, everybody. Hi.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah,
I will check that in a minute.
I did.
Smile.
This is my normal smile. This is showing my teeth smile.
So, nandito na si Dave, mga kaibigan. Ready na natin yung kanyang pagkain. Housework! Your dad was funny. Jenny, turn left, turn right. So anyway, mag-dinner na si Dave, guys. And I think i-end ko na dito yung vlog kay wala na akong gagawin. Magtupi ako ng mga damit na nilaban ko ng isang araw. Nandun na sa sofa para tupiin ko na siya. So, ito lang naman yung dinner ni Jay. Paborito niya to. Pag summer, ito yung paborito niyang dinner. Kasi ano lang siya, light. Yan yung kanyang dinner. Tapos, lagyan natin siya ng asin. Ganyan lang ka-easy. Magic. Ganon. Tapos, yan. Thank you. End ko na dito yung vlog. So, thank you so much guys for watching. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!